Good Wednesday evening, folks. Temperatures today with the cloud cover, with the rain, stayed quite cool, well below normal. Should be in the upper 60s for the end of October. Some spots didn't get out of the 50s. Most other areas in the low 60s this afternoon. Now, rain risk does persist overnight. Some periods of rain, some moderate to even heavy, and even an embedded thunderstorm out there as well overnight into early tomorrow. Now, cold front gets here mid to late morning tomorrow. After it pushes to the east-northeast rather fast, we clear out our skies quickly. By the afternoon and evening, we've got skies that have cleared out, winds have turned out of the west, and it sets us up for a perfect day on Halloween and stays perfect in time for trick-or-treating Friday night. All right, you can see these waves of showers developing. This is residual from a coastal low that's sitting offshore, and we're getting that south turn of our winds, which actually means our temperatures overnight tonight are going to warm through the overnight. By wake up tomorrow, we'll be at nearly 70 degrees. And then we've got this storm system sitting and spinning over the southeast. That's going to lift to the northeast, dragging through this cold front. That's what arrives here mid to late morning tomorrow. Before it gets here, that's when we get our winds coming in out of the south, helping to warm things up. So we'll go 65, but rising overnight, ending up near 70 by the time the sun comes up with periods of rain. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at a rainy start, much like we saw yesterday and today. But after we get past the lunch hour, we'll start to see more and more sunshine breaking out from west to east, and temperatures likely in the low 70s. So here's Futurecast, showing waves of rain coming through the area overnight tonight, pockets of some more moderate rain, maybe a rumble of thunder. 6 a.m., here is our front approaching the I-95 corridor. By mid-morning, it begins to push on through our area with some more widespread showers, maybe an embedded rumble of thunder. But by lunchtime and quickly thereafter, it is cleared off to the east-northeast. And look how fast our sky will begin to clear out as winds turn westerly, which is a drier flow for us, and mild. In the upper 60s and low 70s, we enjoy a fantastic afternoon, setting us up for a rather cool night. Temperatures will fall back into the upper 40s and low 50s. By the time the sun comes up on Friday, we will see plenty of it to start off the day on Halloween. Through the afternoon, we'll see temperatures warming into the low to middle 60s. And by the time we hit sunset, 6:15 to 6:30 or so, we've got beautiful conditions, a clear sky, light breeze, and cool but not terribly chilly temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, so great trick-or-treating weather. And this will spill over into the first of the month on November, Saturday, 64 and sunny, and pretty much a carbon copy for the second half of the weekend. On Sunday, mostly sunny and highs in the mid-60s. All right, we've got the 8 o'clock advisory on Melissa here, 90-mile-per-hour winds, still Category 1. Racing off to the north and east, passing by to the west-northwest of Bermuda by late tomorrow night, early Friday morning, Cat 2 at that point, so strengthening a little bit, and then accelerating off into the North Atlantic, and eventually maybe impacting Atlantic Canada, but that'll be about it. Maybe sending out some swells to the eastern seaboard, but that's about it. 73 tomorrow, morning showers and a few storms. Out of here by afternoon, clearing, beautiful day on Halloween, beautiful weekend ahead. And next chance of maybe a few showers comes our way on Monday. Right now, Election Day Tuesday and Wednesday look decent with sunny skies and temperatures in the mid-60s.